Here's another work from home job na magiging in demand in 2026 and pwede rin siya sa beginner. Ang tawag sa kanya, Customer Success Specialist. Hi, Lester here. So this one is more specific dun sa mga SaaS or yung software as a service. Ito yung mga hinahanap ng mga software company na pwedeng makatulong para mas ma-explain sa mga tao ng mas madali at mas maayos yung mga features and benefits yung mga software products. I know this because we're in the software business and we definitely need these kinds of people. And we have these kinds of people as well. Kung magaling ka makapag-usap, matyaga ka magturo, then this will be a perfect job for you. So ano pa tayong ginagawa nito? Let's use Canva for example. So they hire people na pwedeng mag-explain ng iba-ibang features ni Canva. Kasi buong company yung gagamit ng Canva, maraming team members din sila pwedeng mag-onboard, explain yung role ng bawat isa, and make sure na efficient yung usage ng mga tools para na ma-maximize siya and you make the most out of it. In my case, we do that for HubSpot and for our own tools as well. Kapag na-onboard mo sila, yung mga troubleshooting, ikaw din na mag-aasikaso para nakaka-move forward yung mga users doon sa specific software. Ultimately, maintain their happiness and keep them as a customer, yung tinatawag na retention. Ano ba mga skills na needed dito? Of course, if you're working with international clients, then super important yung speaking English proficiently. Patience and empathy. It's almost like a customer service role as a teacher. It's always required. Yung familiarity natin sa tool or yung SaaS na ituturo natin. Kung yan ay HubSpot, kung yan ay Canva, kung yan ay Salesforce, kung yan ay Microsoft products. I did this for a couple of years for Google. I've had a couple of stints with Amazon as well. And they always need these people na pwedeng mag-explain itong mga tools na to. And why companies hire Filipinos? Again, English-speaking ability, our patience, our trustworthiness. Tayo nag-a-adjust sa time zone ng US and UK and all of these English-speaking countries. We're okay to work at night, diba? I guess the ultimate compliment, we're friendly and we're hospitable so we can put up with the stress and the hustle of this kind of job. So kung people person ka with a little bit of tech skills, then this one is for you. This could be your ticket to a high-paying work-from-home career. So if you want to learn more, like this video and comment CSR and let's talk about it. Again, my name is Lester. I hope this helps. See you in the next one. Bye.